So ngayon guys, we're gonna play Grow a Garden in Roblox. We're gonna see if the eggs hatch now. And if this video gets 100 or more likes, I'm gonna give away my rainbow moon melon. This right here. This rainbow moon melon. Or you could pick any fruit in the garden. Or pets. If this video gets 100 likes. And please guys, click the notification bell for more videos. And please subscribe. I wanna get some sprinklers in my mods. I wanna see. Oh, I got advanced sprinkler in 2 basic. See what's on the page. Sprinklers. New master. Grow in the garden. I actually just started yesterday. Oh, we dug up a basic sprinkler. Oops. It's actually a technique that I'm gonna favorite. Moon melons. Let's do some sprinklers and let's leave for 30 minutes. We're gonna use the sprinkler method. Ay! No, we're not gonna use this. Goodbye. See you again in the next video.